Hey, what's happening? So what are we going to do today, Gene? Well, we're going to install a skid plate on the Street Glide, the 2024 Street Glide. And I was looking at skid plates from the popular brands, like 140 bucks each. And I decided, why spend money on a logo when you can buy something cheaper on Amazon that'll do the same job. Nobody's ever going to see it unless they crawl into your bike. And so there's some things I will buy from Amazon and some things I won't. This seemed like a product that I would buy from Amazon and save some money. It's built the same way, aluminum, vented. It's going to do the job. So I'll show you guys here. This is what it looks like. So this is it. I think I spent like 27 bucks on it. So let's get started. I'll set the camera up. There's the Street Glide. I'll set the camera up out here and we'll get going. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove this radiator cover. I believe it just pulls right off. Just got to be careful. Let me go get something for the front ender. Alright, sometimes dish towels. Perfect. See if I can pull this off now. Should come just right off. Same with the top, it should just come right off. Okay, let me get the other side. I actually played around with this for quite a while, trying to figure out how to maneuver it to come out from in between the bike and the front wheel. If you need to take the front wheel off to get the radiator cover off, that would be ridiculous. But anyway, I just moved it out of the way so I could get to the bolt. It's really super interesting. But anyway, I've got the bolt exposed that I wanted. It is... see it. It's that guy right there. The 5/32. So if it's like that, it'll be that bolt right there. I'm gonna fit this up under there and just stick a couple of these bolts back in and just, get it up in there and fit it and hand tighten these suckers. My wife got me this belt. It's pretty cool. It's a Frankenstein belt. So let's stick that back on. Just want to get this started. Now let me go do the other side, get it started. Okay, Jesus. Last thing I want to do is cross thread anything. Let me put this back on. It's driving me fucking crazy. It's putting on a skid plate.
Oh, the skid plate.
Yeah.
Is this it?
Yeah, it's if you look under the bike, it's
Wow.
yeah, it just protects those hoses and stuff.
That's so smart.
All right, so we'll check it out now. Super easy install. Looks good. So yeah, that was it. Took, I don't know, 20 minutes maybe? Maybe not even that long. But the skid plate's on there. Probably never think about it again after today, but super easy installation. I gotta figure out the radiator cover. I mean, it came off okay, but I couldn't get it out from between the bike and the front wheel. So I need to figure that mystery out. Hopefully you don't have to take the front wheel off. That would be stupid, but hey. Anyway, so hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch up with you guys later.